Hi guys, welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's Christmas Day today, and yeah, the season is just there. Things are not really the way it used to be now, but anyways, we give glory to God and we thank God for everything. Christmas this year is not even Christmas in at all. Like there's no breath of Christmas anywhere. Like there's this gentle breeze or this Christmas breeze that normally comes Christmas period, but it's not like that this time around, and only God know why it's like that. Like things are so expensive. What's this whole Do you think it's
pepper. People were rushing it where they are going to buy it before today because if you get there today.
I went there now. I want to told you because I found out that we didn't have pepper, and I want to use
Even if it is available, it will be expensive. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
Shy.
Yes, oh.
Why are you shy now?
Oh, don't worry.
I say hi to the camera.
Hi.
want to eat now. Like I've taken my bath and I'm so tired. Like the time is after 4 and I've been cooking and doing stuff in the kitchen since morning. Since I think I started around 10. That's when I started. Oh my god. I didn't even know I could do this, like the strength. I wasn't feeling myself this morning, but I just had to. We had some visitors that came around. They've gone. I couldn't video them. This rice tastes so good, like so good. The only issue is that I didn't make it much. It's not much, but wow. I'm going to be trying this. I'm going to be making it again. Like after the festive season, I'm going to be making it again because seriously, it's so nice. Like this is the first time I'm making it. I saw this. I saw it on Maraji's page, and I said I was going to cook it. And trust me, it's so nice. You should try it. So that is all that happened today. Happy New Year in advance. Bye.